Miss Mosler here. Today is Monday, May 11th, and today we're going to continue talking about change makers in America. Last week we read the book Let the Children March. Today we will be reading the story White Socks Only by Evelyn Coleman. Before we listen to this story, I have a few vocabulary words that you'll hear while reading. The first vocabulary word is scorching. The word scorching means extremely hot. The second vocabulary word or words that you'll hear is patent leather. Patent leather is a type of leather with a shiny, glossy finish. Think about those shiny church shoes that you may have. The last phrase that you'll hear is Sunday dress. When they say Sunday dress in the story, they're talking about a very nice dress that you'd wear to church or another special occasion. Before you listen to the read aloud for White Socks Only, I have a few comprehension questions I want you to be thinking about as you listen to the story. The comprehension questions can be found below in the comments, or I'll read them to you now. Number 1. What do you think Grandma means when she says the little girl can't go to town until she's going to do some good there? Number 2. Think of the past books that we've read when discussing important American change makers. When the old woman steps up to drink from the water fountain, does this remind you of someone else we've read about? Think back to the stories that we've read. And number 3. Why do you think all of the people followed behind her and began taking drinks from the water fountain? Now it's time for you to listen to the read aloud for the story White Socks Only. You can find the link to the read aloud below this video in the comments. On Tuesday, you will be completing a task for the story White Socks Only. In your task, you will be making a text-to-text connection between White Socks Only and another book that we've read in this unit. Think about the little girl in White Socks Only. Can you make a connection to her and Ruby Bridges? What do they have in common? Or can you make a connection to the children and Let the Children March? Once you've made a text-to-text connection between the little girl in White Socks Only and another book from this unit, you will write a paragraph describing the connection and how they both inspired change in America. Remember, when you're writing a paragraph, you need to include a topic sentence, 3 detail sentences, and a closing sentence. An example paragraph frame will be at the end of this video, and we'll be reading and discussing our paragraphs in our Zoom meeting on Tuesday afternoon. Can't wait to read them.